what is high blood pressure and what are its causes, right? BP is a measure of blood pushing against the blood vessel walls. High blood pressure is dangerous because it makes the heart work double hard to pump blood out of the body and increases the risk of kidney and stroke. So it is our responsibility to make it easy for our heart to pump blood to the body, not make it hard. Early detection of high blood pressure is very, very important so that it does not end up damaging your organs. Now let us look at the causes, what causes high blood pressure, and that is why you are watching this video, right? So let's look at these causes. Processed food. One of the topmost reasons for high blood pressure is processed food. Eating too much processed food increases your blood pressure. To learn more about processed foods and how they can damage your health, watch the above video. This channel particularly talks about unprocessed life that our ancestors led 100 years back, 200, 300, 400, 500 years back, where they did not eat too much processed food, and that is why they had a very good health, and that is why you see a lot of people living even up to 90s and 100s. So we want to specifically focus on leading a life that takes us closer to the nature. So watch this video with the above link. It talks more about how processed food affects your health. Salt. Eating too much salt, greater than 2300 mg a day, causes kidneys to retain more water, thereby putting pressure on your kidneys, in turn increasing your blood pressure. Hence, keep a tab on your salt intake. I need to follow this seriously because I eat a lot of salt, so I need to make sure I keep a tab on my salt intake first, and I started doing that recently. Energy drinks. Excessive intake of energy drinks leads to high blood pressure. A study shows that people who drank more than 32 ounces of energy drinks in an hour have had abnormal activity in their hearts and higher blood pressure. So energy drinks once in a while is good, but don't make it a habit. Sleep apnea. Sudden drop in oxygen levels which occur during sleep apnea leads to high blood pressure and strains your cardiovascular system. Exercise. Lack of exercise over longer periods of time leads to increased blood pressures, because nowadays a lot of people work remote and work at home, and these sedentary lifestyles without any physical activity are leading to increased blood pressure, right? So daily physical activity can bring down your blood pressure by 6 to 8 mmHg. Thyroid. If thyroid gland produces low or high thyroid hormone, it can result in increased risk of high blood pressure or hypertension. Stress. Stress causes hypertension. Stress can spike your hypertension abnormally. An increase in tension creates a pressure on your blood vessels, leading to high blood pressure. Hence, it is very, very important for you to stay calm and relaxed, or even if you are in stress, take some time to spend on meditating every day so you can calm down. Adrenal glands. Pheochromocytoma, a rare tumor found in adrenal glands, increases production of hormones such as adrenaline and noradrenaline, which in turn leads to long-term increase in high blood pressure. Obesity. Obesity coupled with a sedentary lifestyle increases your risk for high blood pressure. When you are overweight, your heart has to work double hard to pump blood through your body. Then why not make it an easy job for your heart, right? Why not take care of your health and prevent yourself from being obese, or even if you are obese, follow a fitness regimen and a diet plan so that you lose weight. Genes. Genetic abnormalities and change in bodily functions, such as change in kidney function as you age, might lead to high blood pressure. Smoking. Smoking damages the lining of the arteries, which results in hypertension, high blood pressure. Alcohol. Having more than 3 drinks in a single sitting temporarily increases your blood pressure, and binge drinking leads to long-term increase in your blood pressure. Various other reasons: birth control pills, cough and cold medication, anti-inflammatory medication, and migraine medications end up increasing your blood pressure, so keep a watch on them or discuss with your doctor if you are taking any of these. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the content and hit subscribe for more.